Select an image. Go to Bitmaps. Bitmap Color Mask. Click on Hide Color. Tick on the top row. Then select the dropper and click on the color you want to remove. Set the tolerance and apply. Adjust the tolerance until you get the required result. More tolerance may delete the color from your main image. You have to adjust it carefully. Once it is done, adjust the nodes using Shape tool as shown here. Go to Bitmaps. Convert to Bitmap. Choose the color mode which you want, then press OK. For perfection, you can edit this image in Photo Paint to apply feather and other effects.